Hello guys, so we are going to the DFW to the Skyline train to my gates, and I will show you how it looks like. This is Terminal D from D1 to D21 to D29, and we're gonna use the Skyline to go to D30 to D40. So first of all, we're gonna look at how Terminal D look like, then we'll go up to the stairs to the Skyline train to my gates D31. This is Terminal D. I just wanna check on that.
Travel through DFW International Airport. In Fort Worth, we are the Modern West. You can discover world-class art at the Civil Art Museum or swing by Sundance Square to enjoy a wide array of contemporary Texas cuisine. You can also head to the stockyards for a taste of the wild.
Okay, we have a duty-free in Dallas, Fort Worth Airport, and let's see, they're on sale. How much is the price? 30% off.
Hi, you need help?
Yeah, how much is for this black label? I don't see any price.
One is 35, 70, and two, if you buy two, it is $71.
For one is 35. See?
35, 70.
And what about the 30% discount? That's what I see here.
Which one?
The black label, it says 30% discount.
The price. This price comes after the discount.
Oh,
Yeah, this price is after the discount. What I am saying to you,
oh, I don't see any.
the
Oh,
price.
I didn't see that. Okay.
Yes.
35.70. Alrighty. Okay, anyway. This is Dallas Fort Worth International Airport Terminal D. If you are the American Airways member, and if you have the Admiral Club, this is the launch. Another Skyline from D1 to D5 is this side. This side is from gate 33 to D40. This side is D25 to D31. This is American Airlines D27 and D25 check-in station. Okay, we're gonna look at the American line.
You're gonna go to the bathroom?
Came that side, now heading to my gate D31. Okay, D31. Okay, I think mine is 6 o'clock flight, or 4:31 now is boarding to New York. Probably after this flight we are going to board in this section. Okay. Okay, this is the information screen here. Okay, let me see my sides and okay, we're still in the terminal and we're gonna see more gates on this side. Let's see. Okay, so I can see as far as what's D40 and a lot more gate on this side. Okay, we have the shoe cleaning side here. This is Dallas Fort Worth International Airport in Dallas, Texas. Juice bar. Another more gate here. gate B1 to B49 using these escalators, and if you want to connect to the bridge from C1 to 39, you can use this bridge to go up and look for C1. Okay, I think this is the last site for the terminal, and we're gonna go back to Terminal D for now. Okay, now we're gonna use Skyline, and I'll show you how to use or access terminals through Skyline, which is a mini train. So we go all the way up through that orange sign, says Skyline. And then you go up all the way, and there's a number from D something to D something, so you can use that gate to follow the Skyline train to your destination or to your terminal. And I'll show you how can you access it. Now we came from all the way down and going up. Boarding head.
Please do not block the doors. This train is departing.
Okay, I'm gonna use this side.
So we need to keep going down the stairs.
Please do not block the doors. This train is departing for gates D23 through D40.
Okay.
And all A next train arrives in 1 minute.
Okay, so we are here in D1 to 21. So I'm gonna go to here, which is D23 to D40, and mine is D31. So it's gonna take me from here to here. That is the Skyline connecting between gates inside this
Board
here.
here for all C. Board here for gates D23 through D40.
Okay.
And all A and B gates. For gates D23 through D40 and all A and B gates. Doors are closing. Please do not block the doors. Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop serves gates D23 through D40 at the Grand Hyatt.
So I'm heading to D30, so you're gonna follow this sign. So D30 to D40. So I'm gonna head into this side. And this is the train station here.
Please do not block the doors. This train is departing.
Okay, my D31 is this side, so I'm gonna go and this is my gate. There's another information here, and D31 should be on this side. This is interesting piece of art here. This is DFW is well known for this kind of art, and there is a public art here. I just want to show you here. Actually, piece of metal.